Hi guys, welcome to Think Money magazine. Here we share ideas on finances, money, hustling, business, and the sort. But that does not mean that I am your financial advisor. I am not. If you need professional financial help, I suggest that you find somebody who is registered and certified in your area to be able to provide professional financial advice. Now that we have that one out of the way, let's get to today's business. So what happened was we were at Christmas and I was chatting to one of my friends. He's somebody who has a good job and gets paid really well. I'm in South Africa, so he takes home something like 40,000 rand a month. I think that's probably around 3,000 US dollars a month. I know for some that's not a lot of money, but in South Africa, guys, that's a lot of money. So we were talking and I realized that he seemed not to be able to recall how he spends his money. Although he's paid a lot, he really doesn't know where he puts his money. It's to an extent where sometimes he often has to ask a friend for some extra cash so that he can be able to meet his financial obligations. I kind of also began asking myself, this guy is paid almost double what I get paid, and yet he comes to me for money. We kind of live the same lifestyle. So I realized that he's kind of in a situation where I was before, where I could be paid, I could get hold of my money, but at the end of the month, if you ask me how did I spend my money, where did I spend my money, I wouldn't be able to tell you. I think many people are in that situation where you get paid, whether it's a job, whether it's a business, whether whatever you do to make your money. You get the money, but end of the month, if somebody comes to you and says, where did you spend that 20,000 rand, that $2,000, that whatever your currency, how many of us are able to say, I spend it here and here and here and here and here? The simplest thing about this exercise is these things, they do not need you to have like sit at a laptop or carry a notebook around or any of that stuff. Basically what you need is a phone. If you are watching this video, you probably have a phone. If you are watching this video, you probably are on a laptop. Well, good for you. But this exercise is simple, because that's the whole point of it. It must not be hard, otherwise you only do it for 2 days. So basically what you need to be able to track your finances, because guys, you must be able to know how much you're getting paid, where you are spending your money, on what. That's how you begin to understand your finances. So if you do not know where you are spending your money, where do you start? My suggestion is, if you're on Android, go on Google Play, the Google Play Store. Okay, this is an app that I have on my phone. It's an app that I use. I am not recommending this app. I'm not paid by them. I do use the app. It's just a personal preference. I love it. But if you go onto your Google Play Store and you search for budget money apps or money budget apps or however you phrase it, you'll be bombarded with all these options. Basically what you need is find an app that works for you. There's a lot of apps. So what you basically need to do is find one that works for you. You need a money tracking app. When you get paid, you start tracking your finances, and end of the month you kind of can tell what you did with your money. So I'm going to quickly go into this one because I have it on my phone, and just show you, like I showed my friend, how easy and simple it is to track your finances, guys. So if you go to more, then you have your settings there. You can start putting your income categories, expenses, automobile, entertainment, family, food, drinks, and things like that. You can add more. That's why I love this one. Settings. Yeah, you can even set a password if you don't want people to just not people like that. If you don't want people to just get your phone, once they get on your phone, they see there's this app called Wallet, and they want to see how much is in this guy's pocket. So you can set your password like that. What I also prefer, what I also love about this particular app, again, I'm not saying use this one. It's my personal favorite. Is you can set the rand. Like I said, I'm in South Africa, guys, so I don't want to be setting my currency in US dollars, and I'm in South Africa, and it looks odd. So with some of these other apps, you can only set the currency to euro or US dollar or the pound and things like that. Now see, then you can go here. Okay, so December 2019. Okay, no records. You can start adding records, say 30,000. Wow, I wish. It's a free app, guys, that's why there's an advert there. Uncategorized, you can say salary. I wish I could get paid 30,000 and salary. Then whoever your where the money is coming from, XYZ, maybe some notes, XYZ. You don't need to put in the notes, but well, definitely you probably need to put in where the money came from, and save account. Okay, need to add account, say to do income, say income, just like that. Save salary. There, that's my salary for December. I hope one day I can be there. So basically, because I do not have expenses, I just added in the income. That's why it's account 30,000. Then we start with expenses. That's where you are moving around, and say first purchase 10,000 rand. Wow, what are you buying? What are you buying for 10,000 rand? Let's say gifts and donations. Let's say my sister is getting married, and so it's a gift for a wedding. So we say wedding gift. Wow, my sister will love me forever. Then account, personal expense, notes, you can leave it. Then save. Wow. Then see, 10,000 income was 30,000. Expenses is 10,000. The account is currently at 20,000. You can have a report, say categories. Right now it's only the gift, that's why the whole pie chart is the gift. Say daily, or you can have a bar chart. See, then income, well, it's only one source of income at the moment, unless you want to add another income, say 5,000. Wow, SARS is going to come after me now. 25,000 already, and it's end of the month. Say part-time work, say pair is side hustle, account, it's income. We save. So I've earned 35,000 rand this month. 35,000 minus 10,000, that's why we have 25,000. Say we do another expense. Reports, end of the month. Income versus expenses. See, my expenses, my income. Wait, come on. Now I'm on income, expense categories. So I spend a lot on gifts and donations, some money on food and drinks, and some money on entertainment. And I'm still rich, guys. I hope this helps somebody. This is how you keep track of your finances, and it's on your phone. Is then a first step into managing your finances. So I hope it helps somebody. If it helped you, if it gave you an idea, leave a like, a comment below, subscribe, share with your family, share with your friends. Make the money and keep it. That's the important one. Okay, until next time, bye.